You have a fever, you take a pill. Your stomach hurts, you take a pill. You have a serious illness or trauma, you take all the pills that the doctor ordered. But how about if I told you that there is something else that you could do to help you regain your health or get you back to your highest functional level? For the past year, as a nursing student, I have been to different hospitals and nursing homes to complete my clinical hours. I have met and helped several patients. My routine is to give them their medication and assess them physically and mentally. I have always wondered if there was something else that could be done to help them ease their pain and help them get better. It wasn't until the day that I saw a pet walking with his handler into my patient's room that I realized the positive impact that a pet can have on humans. The pet was there to help people heal. I was able to see how a patient's attitude and demeanor changed. He was happier for the rest of that day. Today, I will discuss what animal-assisted therapy is, the health benefits, and the most common pets used for animal-assisted therapy. Let's start by giving you some background information about animal-assisted therapy. According to Michelle Morrison, a registered nurse, in her article, Health Benefits of Animal-Assisted Interventions, animal-assisted therapy has been around for centuries. But it was not until the 1970s that a New York psychologist, Boris Levinson, decided to integrate his dog as part of his treatment plan with his adolescent patients. Animal therapy can be a very broad term, and it can include visiting pets and physical therapy pets. Animal-assisted therapy can be part of a treatment plan. As the website partners.org explains, this type of therapy is goal-oriented. It can be performed in a variety of settings, and the animal needs to meet the required criteria. According to Dr. Andrew Weil, animal-assisted therapy can be part or all of an effective treatment plan for a long list of disorders ranging from cerebral palsy to attention deficit disorder, and may succeed at bringing about a healing response where many other therapies have failed. In an article by Lori Friesen, she explains how animal-assisted therapy has become increasingly popular in schools. Children have been able to concentrate more when pets have been present in their classroom. In a study conducted in 2007 by the U.S. Army with wounded soldiers, soldiers reported feeling more calm and at ease after each pet therapy session. Visiting pets and resident pets are commonly used to improve socialization and maintain the patient in touch with reality. We all know how hard it can be dealing with sick patients. Physical therapy can be used for several purposes. To increase motivation to move, to help them comply with exercises, to help patients stretch farther and exercise for longer periods of time. They also help with to increase joint movement, because when an animal pet is present, the patient is also willing to move. It increases or regains motor skills and improves recovery time. So now that we know that animals can help us in different ways, maybe you're wondering, okay, what are the benefits? It has been scientifically proven that pets can have a positive impact in humans' health. Pets can help restore and improve and maintain your good health. Mental health can be improved by the use of a pet-assisted therapy. According to Medscape.com, talking to an animal can be easier than revealing thoughts and intimate feelings to a therapist. Animal-assisted therapy can make a significant difference in someone's physical health. It has a wide variety of physiological benefits. Pain can be decreased. According to a recent study, spending 15 minutes with a pet can lower the pain level as if the patient had taken an acetaminophen. The stress can be reduced because this therapy helps with relaxation. It can help improve cardiovascular health by reducing your arterial blood pressure. Maybe you have been to a nursing home or a hospital to visit a family or a friend, and you have seen a therapy dog. Well, let me tell you, animal-assisted therapy does not always mean a dog. There are a wide variety of animals that participate in animal-assisted therapy. Some of them are dolphins, fish, and cats. Horses and dogs are some of the most common ones. Therapy with horses is called hippotherapy. According to Dr. Marty Becker, horses have been used therapeutically for centuries, but it became very popular after the 1952 Helsinki Olympics, when Elspeth Botker, a Norwegian physical therapist, created riding groups for disabled children. Horses can help improve strength, muscle control, eye-hand coordination, and social skills. Horses are also commonly used for physical therapy. It is said that when you ride a horse, your bones accommodate and mimic walking. It can recreate natural body movement better than any machine available in the market. A dog was the first one to be used as part of mental health therapy. They tend to make activities fun and can motivate patients in many ways. Animals have played an important role in our health for centuries. Today, we have learned how animal-assisted therapy was started, the ways it can impact our health, and the most common types of animals used for therapy. Regardless if you're healthy or if you're ill, animals are a good option to help maintain our health, help us heal or cope with our illness. There are more options to your traditional treatments. Animals are great companions, and they can help us heal from the inside out. So next time you're sick or sad, or you just need motivation, consider animal-assisted therapy as a treatment option. Thank you. Do you have any questions? Yes?
Do you have any pets?
I do. I have 2 dogs.
Do you feel like it's helpful for you?
It is helpful. First of all, I have to walk them every day, so that helps me, keep moving. And also when you pet them, it seems to calm me down and makes everything better.
Are there any more animals that you've seen that you can name besides the horses and the dogs?
Yes.
Research?
In my research, they also found birds. So they decided to take birds into a nursing home, and they noticed the patients were happier, and also the staff. So if the birds were placed in a patient's room, the doctors and nurses tend to spend more time in that room. They will actually go in, say hello to the bird, and spend more time with that patient.
You said that you saw a patient, an animal came into the room. You said it was a dog. What did the dog do? Was he just there to be pet? Or
He was just there to be pet. He was very calm. It was a German Shepherd. He was just very calm. My patient had a fracture, and he had to stay there for about a week or so. And, he was so happy after the pet left, and the pet wasn't there for about 10-15 minutes, and he was just petting him. Very calm demeanor.